up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I will be installing, finally, my AM wideband that I won from a jury built raffle onto Nami, my DC5 RSX. Yep, that's what's going on, man. All right, Nami, you're about to get a wideband today. Thank the Lord. Which is what right here. Ooh, go ahead and unbox this bad hole, you heard? All right, so what I have right here is my AM wideband. Oh yeah, AM. When it comes to wideband, boost gauges, and all that fun jazz, AM is the truth. The truth, 100%. Ain't no better than AM, bro. It's really not. When you open the package, this is the slim model. You know what I mean? I got everything we need. Got the harness, and we have our Bosch LSU 4.9 sensor. I think it's LSU. I don't know, I just be talking mess. So this is pretty simple. This is the sensor. This plugs into the sensor like so. And then this right here plugs into the back of the wideband. But this also plugs into the back of the wideband. And then you have your red is your power. I think, yeah, this goes to power, 12 V source of power. And then this gets grounded. The black one gets grounded, and then the other wires are wires if you want to hook them up to your ECU for data logging or anything like that. But we ain't doing all that. So we just need power and ground and hook that John up. Pretty simple process. So first things first, let's raise up the car, plug in our new sensor, and fish the wiring through wherever we can find where we're gonna fish it through. So if you guys can see, you have two bong holes, one there and one there. This is a Skunk 2 Alpha header. I might put mine further away from the thing. I'm not sure of what I'm gonna do. Cause this would be primary and this would be secondary. And I'm not running a primary sensor on my car, so I might just put it as the primary. Yeah, I'm gonna just put the wideband here. Yeah. I mean, it makes sense. Closer, yada yada. So we're gonna put it there, and that is a 19 millimeter to loosen it. 19. Use a wrench or a socket, but I'm gonna use a wrench. Let's see if my hand get dirty. Yep. Here is the wideband. Wideband. I got some anti-sealant already on that, John. Not anti-sealant, but anti-seize. Alright. So we have the wideband installed. Now to route it through the cabin, I just watched the Surge Motive video. Shout out to my boy Surge. So there's a grommet somewhere inside the cabin. I'll show you guys, but this is the wire right here that we just pulled up. Well, this is the O2 wire, and from here there's, I guess, a grommet somewhere down this black piece right here. I have to remove the carpet and move this grommet piece by the gas pedal, and then there should be like an I wouldn't say an outlet, but somewhere where I can yeah. Oh, this is gonna be a bitch. So through there, I could run that grommet. I could run my harness through. So I think I just have to peel this back. Not peel it back, but I gotta figure out how I can. I figure it out. All right, so I fished it through. If you guys can see that, probably not. The lighting is terrible, but I fished it through there. I gotta clean this up. I don't like the way this is gonna be ran. I might have to just like cut a hole in there and like do it that way, so like I can put this grommet. Oh, there you can't even see it. So yeah, this is how I ran it. I just bypassed it by not running it through it, but I think I'm gonna run it through it. I just gotta figure out how to do it. But for now, I did it, and I'll show you how it looks on the outside. It runs through the bottom of that right there. You guys can see. You guys can see it. Jesus. But it's right. See if I can use my phone. Through there, right there. You can't see it. So hard. But once you like move the grommet. Oh, there you go. Once you move the grommet on the back of the firewall, you'll see that hole opening on the outside. So, yeah, even though I can't get it properly on the camera, you can hopefully see it. I just gotta zip tie it up. But you guys can see the, you guys can't even see it, but the grommet's right there. Bro, I hate to say this, but I'm a beast. I love to say it. I don't know if you guys can see that. Probably can't. Of course not, because this camera sucks when it comes to like filming the good stuff that I need. But that thing is secure. I cut a slit in it, slid it over, and now it won't chafe the firewall. So now I don't have to worry about that ever getting spliced and diced. We are good to go. Hey man, if I ever do sell this RSX, somebody's having a nice little neat car with a lot of miles, but it's nice and it's neat. And they got to push the start button and the Checker Sports hub with a brand new grip royal wheel. And a nice Pioneer radio. Bro, this, somebody just bring me $12,000. Okay, so now that we have our main source that we need to have inside the chassis, well, inside the cabin, we have it. This is in here. Here's our face and our gauge. And this is what plugs into the gauge. And this is what we wire into whatever we find, 12 volt ground and ground. Well, power and ground. So I'm gonna power this to the fuse box, probably using the radio slash cigarette fuse lighter thingy, since that's 12 volt crank on, power on, ignition on. And I'm just gonna ground that to probably where I have my push start grounded. So yeah, man, pretty simple. So what I did was I ran the wire that we pushed up from the sensor on the to this side. So what I did was I ran it through there. I took off this, fished it from this side all the way to this side, and I have it right here. So then I can figure out where I'm gonna mount this thing. For now, this is all a temporary setup because I feel like I'm gonna have it somewhere like right here. I don't know. I gotta figure out where. I could try to do it there, but there's no way that's gonna work. Do everything loud and clear, but nobody's listening. All right, so this is what I did for my wiring. I just wired my ground there to the, I don't know, above the OBD2 port. And then my power goes to my radio. So in hindsight, this should work without, well, I should up that fuse to a 10 amp instead of a 7.5, but let's see. I actually haven't even tried to see if it works, but it should power up though. Yeah, see, we're good. All right, I had to plug in the thing, but yeah, should be good. Then we have a working wideband, fellas. Should be golden, should read. Ooh, he is rich, my boy. Holy shit. All right, so I got the wideband wired like that. Ghetto, but well, it is what it is. And I also have the head mount on because we about to do some POV action, you heard? I'm finna forward over to Fred's house. Kind of want tacos, so I'm probably gonna get some tacos first, then forward over to Fred's house. And yeah. But that's cool, man. Woo! It's kind of crazy how rich it reads, man. That's a rich idol. Like, like generally you'd want your idle like in the 13s, 14s, but 12s, god damn, that's like doing a pool right there. That's pool AFRs, you heard? But yeah, I'll easily get that situated later down the road. People that don't know the importance of this right here, this is a wideband known as an air-to-fuel ratio. So this is an air-to-fuel ratio wideband. I feel like every car needs this, whether it's stock or not. If you have a misfire issue or you have an issue where your car, you feel like it's running funny, this will tell you what's going on. So this right here reading 13s, that's actually pretty good. Like that right there, that's okay. 13s is fine. So the lower the number, the richer it is, the higher the number, the leaner it is. If you have a high number at idle, let's say like this number reading 17 or 18s at idle, like as of right now, that's bad. That means you have more air than fuel, which means you have a lean condition to where a spark plug, not a spark plug, but a fuel injector isn't firing properly. You're not getting enough fuel to compensate for the air. Let's say I didn't have K-Pro and I had stock ECU with a RBC manifold on and full botons, then this number might be hella off. I think it'd be actually lean because I have too much air to not compensate for the fuel. So, but this car is on a tune right now, and that's why my AFRs are in good condition, well, good readings. Like full throttle 11s, that's pretty good. It's rich, but you know, you'd rather be rich than lean, you know what I mean? Only thing by it being rich is you just waste more gas, honestly. Like it could mess up, like it can flood your cylinder walls and cause ring failure and things like that, but also running lean can do the same thing. So, you know, it's better to run rich than lean, for sure. I love this car. I don't even have my wallet on me. Oh, I can't get tacos. I don't have my wallet on me. No! God damn it. The taco spot. I can't go to the taco spot. I don't have my wallet. I'm so sad right now, bro. So I think what's next for the RSX, vented carbon fiber bonnet. I can't wait for that. What else? I think the next performance mods I do is obviously upgrade the injectors to 1000cc, slap in the 255 fuel pump, and then put this car on flex fuel. I think that would be pretty cool to have this car on E85. Yeah, I think that would just be most dope, dog. I want to do some pools right now, man. I'm in the mood for some pools, bro. Some pouletas. On this street. feels good, man. Woo! Ooh, I want some tacos. I can't believe I left my wallet, man. How could I be so irresponsible? Uh-oh. Fun. Super fun. And well, ladies and gentlemen, it is 1:32 in the morning, Thursday. I leave for Colorado today, but you guys are watching this on a Saturday, I think, if I scheduled it properly. I'm still trying to figure out how to raise one eyebrow. Like, if I close this eye, I can do it. Kind of. I don't know. I'm retarded. This is the outro. Today's video was a good one. I got a wideband installed. I know where my AFRs are at. I ate some shrimp fried rice, so that was a blessing. Thank you, Mom. I'm handsome, so that's always a plus. I didn't get a haircut today, plus my beard looks like taco meat, so that's bringing my handsomeness down too much, bro. I need to shave this shit off. Ugh. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy the video, leave a like on the video. If you did not enjoy this video, then leave a dislike on the video. You guys should know the drill by now. I don't give a fuck. I love each and every single one of you guys. Thank you for tuning in. I'll be sure to catch you guys on the podcast, which will be uploaded Monday. Ooh, so enjoy that. I'll see you guys Monday. Or on Instagram if you follow me. Follow me on the gram, bro. It's popping over there. Alright, I'm out. Peace.